What has been you see one in a few moments, Your Excellency. Okay. That will enable it to be green. So it is raining right now, Your Excellency.
You are able to go to your vehicle without having to interfere with rain.
You don't interfere with rain. And we are going to put seats. It's strategic, not everywhere. Strategic for those who are disabled. The offer is very elaborate. 900 meters of voltage from that side. There is a blessing with the Kenya Railways and also the Kenya National Highway Authority on the expressway.
Right.
The intersection at Uhuru, because there are a lot of regulations that I've mentioned, will require that it is safe. For that reason, we are designing. At the commissioning, we do on-grade crossing, which is demarked by zebra crossing and controlled by traffic lights. At the same junction. Yes. So, but you remember this side used to be Luna Park. And we are designing this to have a new green park village. The traders who are trading in this area, we have given them a temporary relocation behind, near the pavilion, just behind this Mambati here. Okay. For us to be able to reorganize this land. We are building for them both sides, on that side and on this side, a new green mall center, whose picture we will see when we reach at that point, the way the layout is. It will be built with 50 containerized containers to make it move fast. We are liaising with Kenya Railways and Kenya Ports Authority so that we can buy them at the least possible cost. Those containers then we will build the green pavilion. Then the traders will be relocated back to this side. So what we do is that second phase. So our second phase is here to make this place a green park.
Green park, a proper green park.
It's got habitable business center. The center will have the same people who are doing business will be given priority, but they have to change excellence. They will not so do the same kind of food. They must upgrade the scale.
The standard.
The standards.
Cleanliness.
Cleanliness in terms of even the business environment. So they move close to KFCs and things like that. That's what we are aiming. So that we check to different that's how they guarantee them of customers. There will be a lot of customers here. Because of that movement of about 7,000 people an hour, will interact with a lot of business.
Exactly.
So they need to give our services for 90.
They understand the service.
Yeah, they cannot remain at the same level. Your Excellency. You're very, Your Excellency, sir. With your permission, Your Excellency, sir, we have been in collaboration with the traders in the design of the green park. I would, with your permission, request Caleb to give us 10 minutes. Thank you very much.
Despite the developments which are going on here, we are very grateful for the last 6 months. We've cohabited here very well with the NMS. And they've even done for us a temporary relocation site behind there, where we shall hold fort as the new mall is being developed. So this is essentially a containerized mall. It will have about 86 shops, the ground floor and the upper floor. So this will bring a unique mix of experience to the Green Park passengers who will be passing through here. They'll be able to find restaurants, other amenities like small shops, and be able to get convenience whenever they pass through Green Park. We anticipate a daily traffic of over maybe 180,000 people per day. And as a business community, we are very grateful that this has opened for us a much larger opportunity than we had before. Of course, the President has invited traders will really undergo
Rudi pale. Sio napita. Nataka kurudi pale. Koplia. Kwanza niko live.
We also wish to request that the process for the mall be expedited so that we can be able to get back.
When are we through? When will this be ready?
The mall will start immediately, Your Excellency. As I gave you the timelines, we expect that by the end of this week, most of the facility will be functional and through your commissioning and decommissioned at your convenience, Your Excellency. And automatically kicking off is this thing.
Which will take about how long?
Yeah, it should take us 1 to 1.5 months. Because it is simply a steel structure. The containers are put in place. We will do the outside work for these buildings.
Yes.
While the traders, we have agreed with them that they do the internal.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then they will do the internal.
The internal. Yeah. They'll do the internal part.
Yeah.
But us will do the structure, the outside, the electricity.
Alafu hawa internal mfanye.
Yeah, wafanye internal.
Kulingana na mahitaji yake.
Na pia tunataka iwe standard.
Exactly.
As you have
Exactly.
Exactly. So that it is not deviating.
Not mismatch.
Not mismatch.
Kuna minimum standard.
Minimum standards.
Yeah.
So that is what we are going to control. And that design has been done in detail. We are ready with it. We are just moving to implementation straight away as soon as we start the bus operations. But meanwhile, we gave them a space, as I say,
temporarily operate until this is ready.
Yeah, so that we don't really
So we can say that by August maximum.
August maximum it will be done.
Yeah.
Because if we are just putting steel structure, steel really alone, and it's very easy to fabricate that. That's why we went that route rather than the concrete way.
Allow me to mention, Mr. President, previously Luna Park had employed about 300 staff, but we project that with this project we'll have about 1,200 staff.
You will be able to triple the number of people
We are going to be
employed.
able to triple the number of people employed. And thank you very much for creating this opportunity for the traders, and we look forward to your commission.
Well done. Tutarudi na ndugu yangu hapa.
Twende.
So as you can see what I was demonstrating, Excellency.
This is now the exit.
Yes. And it will be illuminated so that it is bright. Making it have the ambience. Our bats, our corona, are all integrated. So they are still putting it in and make it better. Also, LMS has
Hapa tunaandaa
Your Excellency, the place also creates advantage spaces. This is the last spot which we are finishing, which we also started to finish this week. We have covered that. Remember we were protecting the Kameme tree. Yes, Your Excellency. So we have designed a structure that goes around it and maintains that heritage. And now we are reached a point where we are tiling the area, so that they marry this side to the other side and marry to that side. And then we have the same side. This one is a restaurant. You remember we are partnering with the private sector so that they can have opportunities. We will have also a supermarket. We are now sourcing for people who want to supermarket and they're expressing their interest. The neighbors, they're behind in that area.
So in the restaurant?
Yes, this is a restaurant. Then we have a mall, a supermarket, which will take care of our customers. When they come here, they can do their shopping.
Unafanya shopping yako hapo ukielekea.
Unaelekea. Na unaweza kuja sasa utapumzika kwa hii room. Hii main ablution, the block, waiting room.
As you're waiting for your
As you are waiting for your vehicle.
And the same screen will be inside all these halls.
The same screen with information.
So hata ukiwa kwa duka unajua nani yako iko.
Plus a public addressing system like the airport. When your plane is late and you are being told the vehicles for this, they are now boarding. And since we are integrating a very electronic system, we expect that communication will be even linked to your phone. So you can book vehicles and even know you want at what time, which vehicle to take you.
Well done.
We'll take you to this room where they will we are waiting for it. And with your permission, we'll make a quick presentation. As I said, we have also got a level 2 hospital here, which is taking care of health. So Dr. Luga will make a presentation where you have been helping us with the hospital, supporting us with green hospitals, which you have done your excellency, sir. He'll provide a statement of that, and then I'll give a small overview of what's going on, what is happening, and then we'll finish. Yes, sir.
Welcome. Raila Odinga. Most welcome. Your Excellency, the President of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, the Representative Infrastructure African Union, the leadership present, directors from Nairobi Metropolitan Services, ladies and gentlemen, let's now please embark on a very quick exercise on the various amenities that we do have right here at the Green Park terminals. On the screen, we'll be playing a short clip on the health sector, after which the Deputy Director of Health Services in Nairobi Metropolitan Services, Dr. Fred Onuga, will make a quick presentation, followed by the Director ICT, Sharon Mirella, who will give us a brief of the automation of the Green Park terminals as we then proceed to launch one of the 20 new hospitals done across Nairobi in the 17 sub-counties, the Level 2 Nairobi Terminals Hub facility. Let's start with a quick peek into that presentation. Still, please.
Just dealing with the pandemic, the Nairobi Metropolitan Services improved the bed capacity of the Nairobi healthcare system by increasing ambulance services, conducting mass testing, setting up isolation centers, and currently vaccinating all eligible persons.
Most of the hospitals are now ready. We have already improved them and fostered the medical personnel.
It's very much. Last year, that is very profit and hit the country. So the first thing as the health director began to do is contain the profit situation in Nairobi because it is the epicenter of the pandemic. Fool you once, it's a shame on you. Fool you twice, then it's a shame on me.
Yes, kere project iria munene wa bururi arathi na mbere na gukinya bara kuku mwena wa Nairobi na ni okora ni aragikenererwo ni andu kuu imwe ni kirinde kuno imwe ni irathi na mbere. Yes, gai ko cokia guku thiini wa kurekereria kondi tuthi na mbere na gucirekereria neje ni mukurigetwo ko twathi ku turi o guku tutire turathie koguo tuguthie na mbere. Ukiririkania tuli ona mbeca tuticiheanite no tengeraga hare mpesa pay bill wekire 429393 account name Jaza amount wekire ciringi 100 tukinegere kibandika gya ciringi 60 pay bill 429393 account name Jaza amount ciringi 100 goro gikunegere